Come on. Hi. Good morning. Have a wonderful and fruitful day. Let us thank the Lord, for He is good and His love endures forever. Let me share to you today the words of wisdom. Wow! This is a divine wisdom from the book of Proverbs, because I believe with all my heart that a Proverbs a day keeps the fools away. So listen, my friend, and learn this powerful principle for life. It says in Proverbs chapter 10, verse 17, if you are ready to receive correction, you are walking in a path of life. But if you rebuke correction, if you reject correction, surely you are guaranteed to go astray. So my friend, learn the value of accountability. Someone asks, why a good person become bad? Like the devil, he become wicked because he is not willing to receive correction because of pride, and he become boastful and rebels to God. So my friend, be willing to receive corrections, because every one of us need to be accountable to a God-given leader. So be submissive and humble so that you will experience change, growth, and maturity. So my friend, just a reminder, I declare to you, Shalom, Shalom, peace and grace to you, and multiply to everyone. God bless you more.